Are you using Monzo just for day-to-day spending, or are you actually maximizing the hidden cashback rewards that are available? When I first started with Monzo, I didn't even realize the cashback feature existed, but once I found it, it was a game changer for getting a little extra money back on things I was already buying. Let me walk you through the simple, straight-to-the-point tricks I use to make sure I never miss out. Trick 1. Manual activation is a must. This is the most crucial step and where I first messed up. Unlike some other bank rewards that are automatic, Monzo cashback offers are almost always manual. My first tip is to always check the cashback section in your app before you go shopping, especially for larger purchases. Seriously, tap into the Monzo app, go to your profile, and find that cashback area. You need to look through the list of offers and tap to activate the ones you want. If you don't activate it, you don't get the money. Simple as that. I've missed out on cashback a couple of times because I forgot this step. Don't be me. Trick 2. Look for multi-use offers and stack. Once you're in the rewards section, pay attention to whether the offer is single-use or multi-use. Single-use is for one-off splurges. Activate it right before you buy that one specific thing, then it's gone. Multi-use is where the real passive earning comes in. If a grocery store, for example, is a multi-use partner, you activate it once, and then you get the cashback every time you shop there until the offer expires. I keep the multi-use ones active all the time, so I'm constantly earning on my regular weekly shops. Also, be on the lookout for a supermarket booster type offer. I've seen temporary, high-value ones that stack on top of other offers. For example, if you see 5% at a certain supermarket plus a 2% booster, that's 7% back. Always check if you can combine them. Trick 3. Use all your accounts, personal and joint. If you have a Monzo joint account, the good news is that both your personal and joint account spending can contribute to your cashback. The cashback for a joint account purchase usually gets paid into your personal cashback pot, but it still counts. My trick here is that if I have an activated offer on my joint account, but my partner is making the purchase, I just make sure they use the Monzo card linked to the account with the active offer. It sounds basic, but it's an easy way to double your potential earning avenues. Trick 4. Spend with Flex, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. Don't assume you have to use your physical card. From my experience, the Monzo cashback works perfectly with Monzo Flex and mobile payments like Apple Pay and Google Pay. If you're buying something online, you can use your Monzo Flex to get the cashback and spread the cost, which is a neat little finance hack. For in-store purchases, just using Apple Pay is fine, as long as you've activated the offer in the app beforehand. Trick 5. Pay attention to the fine print. Finally, and this is the no-fluff bit of advice, read the small print. Offers often have an expiry date and a maximum cashback limit, say, £20 maximum cashback. If you're planning a big purchase, make sure you don't spend past the point where the cashback cuts off, or you're just leaving free money on the table. Also, if you get a refund, they will take the cashback back. It's important to understand this to keep your budget accurate. The Monzo app makes it easy. Your cashback is instantly viewable in your cashback balance after the transaction, so you know exactly what you've earned. Just remember to withdraw it to your main account to actually use it. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.